deprive them of energy and see, does that change their perception of space? They do this a lot in medical studies. You give somebody a drug and you give somebody a placebo, a sugar pill. And then importantly, nobody really knows who's got what until you've analyzed all the data and the results are revealed that these are the people that had the drug, the active agent. Same idea in the psychological research. In this case, what we did was give people Kool-Aid to drink. And for some people, that Kool-Aid was sweetened with sugar, an actual caloric entity. It could give them energy. Other people drank Kool-Aid sweetened with Splenda. So yeah, it's sweet, but it actually doesn't have any caloric value. You're not giving people energy. You're just giving them that experience of sweetness. Now, some people, of course, are really good at identifying like what's real sugar and what's Splenda. But when you put it in a Kool-Aid, a pretty noxious powder, it actually masked it for everybody and nobody had any idea. We asked them to guess what they got. We tested them afterwards and they were wrong. So nobody is able to guess with accuracy what was your drink sweetened with, which is important because they were blind. The way that scientists use it. They didn't know what it was that they were drinking. We give them about 10 to 15 minutes for that sugar to metabolize, and we measured their circulating blood glucose levels to make sure that we had, in fact, given their body circulating glucose, energy that they might use in the next activity. And the researcher, again, didn't know whether they had just served sugar or Splenda. Then we asked people to estimate distance. So we gave some people more energy, or we kept others sort of at like whatever their normal level was. And what we found is that those people who didn't even know it, but who had been given more energy by drinking Kool-Aid sweetened with sugar, perceived their space as more constricted. That visual illusion of proximity was induced. They felt that their finish line, again in the context of an exercise task,